So we starting off with some pink lemonade. Boom. You come behind this with your raspberry vodka, okay? Some of y'all gonna ask, is this really a sangria? What is a sangria, homeboy? Champagne. I think I'll break the glass if I do something crazy. We should be good. And don't try that at home. Because guys, the force it comes off with is like really high. And now we coming behind that with some lemon lime soda. And we coming in with our raspberries. And so the raspberries help to color this, you see? We even got more raspberries just to stack on top there. And there you have it, champagne pink lemonade. 3 ingredients, well 4, okay? Champagne, vodka, Sprite, pink lemonade.